Good day, I'm Liberson B. Cosiñero, a butcher deboner from Cagayan City, Philippines. Today, I'm gonna show you how to sharpen a knife in a daily basis. First, we use the alcohol for sanitation. And after it dries, we use the mist gloves and the gloves for protection. This is my sharpening stone. This is the rough one and the fine one. This is my boning knife. When you sharpen a knife, we use a 25 degrees angle. 1, 2, 1, 2. And let's turn to the other side for the fine one. 1, 2, 1, 2. When I debone, I have 3 kinds of hand grip. First is the oblique. Second is the power grip. Third is the dagger. Dagger in, dagger out. And lastly, I use this kind of method by using the honing steel. In this position, I'll start from heel to tip. 1, 2, 1, 2. And also this kind of position. From tip to heel. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2. That's all. Thank you.